Hi guys, Tahia here. Welcome back to the light. Today I'm going to show you how to find what's called Mrityu Bhaga in the chart. First of all, what is this? In Sanskrit, the literal translation of this is degree of death. And that sounds pretty scary, so let's unwrap this a little bit. What this means is where that planet sits in your chart, the houses it rules can indicate a place of impermanence for what that may stand for. It's the most sensitive or crisis prone degree for each planet. Be careful of interpreting this very literally. This is like saying how close is a planet to a pressure point. The closer it is, like less than 1 degree, you can expect tension, transformation, or exhaustion in those areas ruled by the planet. And there can be things like health consequences, delays in life, or situations that you don't understand that force you to redefine things. Let's just say you have the moon at a degree that's close to Mrityu Bhaga. It can often mean the mother may have not played a big part in your life. It could be a very disruptive or fractured relationship with the mother. It could mean that you yourself struggle with nurturing other people. How do we actually find this? First thing we do is open up a chart, double click anywhere on the chart, and you'll see the chart and table selection pop up. Go to the table on the very left and scroll down to planet details. And then we see Mrityu Bhaga here. We're going to either double click on it or click OK. And you'll see it pops up right here. This is where you can do your own interpretation and understand what this could mean for your chart or somebody else's. The bottom line is it's not one thing. It has to be looked at in the larger scope of things. Please don't get scared by what this could mean for you or your chart or somebody else's chart. Often just take it as where there's impermanence in the chart and where there are areas you can heal from and move forward to. I hope that helps you find where it is in Parashara's light, as well as has a little bit of an understanding how you can utilize this and not get too overwhelmed by its direct translation. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.